In this video, I am going to show you how to get and redeem coupons at Jumia. To get coupon codes, 1. Visit the official website. 2. Subscribe to their newsletter if they offer one. 3. Follow on social media the platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. They might occasionally share coupon codes or run giveaways on these channels. 4. Affiliate website or YouTube channels. Some content creators or affiliate marketers may provide coupons that they share with their audience. 5. Third-party coupon websites. Check popular coupon websites like RetailMeNot, Coupons.com, or Deals Plus. 5. Partnerships or collaborations. And 7. Promotional emails if they have ones. I am going to give you now one promo code or coupon code for this. Write it and you will have a discount. During the checkout process, locate the field labeled Enter your valid voucher code here. Input your voucher code exactly as provided. Once you've entered the voucher code, it will be automatically deducted from your total purchase amount. After it has been applied to your purchase, proceed by clicking on the Confirm Order button to finalize your transaction. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.